Good morning. Happy Virtual Monday. Today we are on Chapter 10, Lesson 6, and we will be multiplying our numerators and our denominators in our fractions because we do have different denominators for this lesson. We will simply be multiplying straight across, and I'll get a little bit more into it, but let's first look at our first example, talking about pizza. Making me hungry for lunch. It says Franco ate some pizza. 2/3 of a pizza is left. Diandra ate 3/4 of the leftover pizza. How much of the pizza did Diandra eat? Okay, so our fractions in our word problem are 3/4 and 2/3. What we are simply going to do is we're going to look at our fractions and we're going to multiply them. I'm going to multiply my numerator and my numerator from each fraction, and then my denominator times my denominator. So pretty simple, multiply straight across. Make sure you put that fraction bar there to separate, and then we can simplify. So let's look at this one. We have 3 times 2. 3 times 2 gives me 6, and 4 times 3 gives me 12. 6/12 can be simplified, right, by 6. So we are going to, our simplified version is going to be 1/2. Another way that we can do it is simplifying or is multiplying faster. So if you look at our problem, same problem as we had over here, is we have a 3 and a 3. We can cross those out and make it a 1, and we have a 4 and a 2. 2 goes into 4 one time, which gives us the answer 1/2. Or 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 1 is 2. This can sometimes become confusing. Mrs. Bliley's preferred way is just to multiply straight across, plain and simple, and then simplify. So that's what we'll be doing for this lesson. Let's look at example 2. It says find the area of the rectangle with length of 3/4 inch and a width of 5/9 inch. So the first way we can do it is we can look at a tile, or we can use a visual like some models that we've been using in our lessons. And we can do 5/9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9, and then 3/4, and we can count how many tiles there are all together. So each tile is in 1/4 of an inch by 1/9 of an inch, or 1/36, because we're going to look at our least common denominator for 9 and 4, and the area of the unit square is 1 inch. So we can count the shaded areas to find that there are 15 tiles out of 36 tiles altogether, which gives us 1536, which then can be reduced by 3. For 15 divided by 5 is 3, or excuse me, 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 36 divided by 3 is 12. So our simplified answer is 5/12. Or we can simply multiply straight across, which is Mrs. Bliley's preferred way. 3 times 5 is 15, and 4 times 9 is 36, and then we can simplify. So for this lesson and for our practice, we will simply be multiplying straight across. If there are other preferred ways that you like and would like more explanation on, please just type to me on the Google Classroom and I will provide another video for that way of instruction. But Mrs. Bliley believes straight across is the way to go. Let's look at number 1. For our guided practice, we have 1/7 times 1/2. Remember, we're going to multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1, and 7 times 2 is 14. Bada bing, bada boom. Our answer is 1/14, plain and simple. Mrs. Bliley is going to do a few more problems with you. Mrs. Bliley would love for you to just cross out these shading ones and move on down to 5. So we have 3/5 times 5/6. 3 times 5 is 15, and 5 times 6 is 30. Can this be reduced? Absolutely, by 5, right? So 15 divided by 5 and 30 divided by 5 for our simplest form. 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 30 divided by 5 is 6, which can be reduced one more time by 3, which gives us 1/2 for our final answer. Mrs. Blythe is going to do one more with you. Number 6, I have 3/4 times 5/12. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15, and 4 times 12 is 48. Both can be reduced by 3 to get our simplified answer. 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 48 divided by 3 is 16 for our final answer, 5/16. I would like you to do numbers 7 through 13 for our practice work today. And I will, also remember this week is a little bit different than other weeks. Tuesday and Wednesday, we will have virtual days. Thursday and Friday, we will be in person, not for you, but just so you know. Um, if you do need additional support on Tuesday and Wednesday, we will not be meeting. I will be uploading videos for the virtual day. My hours are 10 to 11 and 1 to 2. So if you need extra support or have any quick questions, just hop on to our social skills page and Mrs. Bliley will be able to help you. All right, have a great day and I will see you soon.